Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're at Umax and we're looking at their racing drones. I just hope I can keep up with them. Well, I'm not going to continue to try to pick them up, but I just thought I'd give you a quick burst of that. They're so damn fast you can't even bother to try to follow them, especially in the micro drone area. So I'm going to just turn this off real quick. When you can see them, even if you crash, you're up and running in just a minute. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Back to you in the studio, John.